Okay. Authentication also.
Yes, sir.
Authentication.
Confidentiality integrity.
Okay.
Yes,
Now I'm sharing my screen. This homework, how many are done, how many are not completed? I clearly told your serial number, cyber security concept, analyst proposed cyber security goals, agreed cyber security goal, cyber security properties, analyst proposed cyber security properties, agreed cyber security goals, cyber security claims, proposed by analyst and proposed by analyst, goals and claims, then two more attributes, architect also. Architect agreed cyber security goals and cyber security claims. Instead of that, very simple manner also I told, your wish. This is the best way. Another way, at least you need to remember forever. Until our course is completed for 12 weeks, you need to know about your serial number, okay, your cyber security concept, then analysts and architect proposed cyber security properties, agreed cyber security goals, and agreed cyber security claims. This homework, in your homework folder, everyone having a homework Excel sheet is there or not there? Yugandhar, you have the
Yes,
folder? Huh?
yes,
Oh,
it is there.
oh,
In the
oh.
second sheet, I have updated.
And then you can tell me JTAG, what is the your goals and claims?
Okay. See, actually, when we discussed it, that point of time, five goals as an analyst we have discussed, and one claim we have discussed and confirmed as per discussion. It is four goals and two claims.
What are the four goals now?
Four goals is confidentiality,
Mm,
integrity,
mm.
authentication, and authorization.
1 minute.
And CS claims is
One
like
minute. Confidentiality also, no?
yes,
Confidentiality,
confidentiality,
authentication, mm,
authentication,
mm.
authorization, and integrity.
Claims.
Claims, repudiation, and availability.
It is all are matching the same or contradicting. Saurabh there. Where is your table? What is that your table is saying?
Same. Architectures are
Art, uh, architects has been confirmed on repudiation in claims, but availability they didn't mention that thing.
integrity, confidentiality, authentication, and authorization.
Integrity.
Confidentiality, authentication, and authorization are the
Mm.
goals.
Okay, availability, you also agreed that.
Yes, yes. Availability and yeah. There actually we have on that day discussed about claims regarding authorization. Finally, authorization also came into the goal.
I'll agree. This is the one, right? Where you guys are, I looked for your folders, where you guys are maintaining any separate folder anywhere?
No, Ram.
This table, then what is the point to discuss the 2 weeks wasted, right? Myself. Then every day you will tell something, huh? That is the first level. Why you are going for a security now security concept implementation for secure JTAG? What you will implement? You don't know about what is your goal. Okay, please complete this activity by today. If you everything is there, if it is required, you can open our whiteboards and prepare a one table, dedicated table. Everyone, high priority base today. Please complete this. This is forever. It will helpful for you guys until our course is completed.
Sure, bro.
At least your interview you will depend. Okay. Some other organization they will say that a repudiation is required. Yeah, my architects and my management agreed that repudiation is anyhow server someone is there. We have a log entry, so they can catch it. But really in your organization you are getting an opportunity. I will implement. Not a problem. Okay. Now coming back to the till. Okay, Anand Surya limit also 17. But two more guys. Rajesh, you joined us. Might check with Rajesh. He's not there means please ask
Yes,
him to
Ram.
join.
Joined Ram.
Okay.
Bhaskar is not joined, I think.
Bhaskar, right?
He
Bhaskar
will
called me.
join 5 minutes late. He pinged in group, Teams group.
Since he
Jayshree.
has some emergency.
Yeah, yeah,
Shubham
I
Gupta.
know. Maybe
I'm back. I might posted that in the message group.
Bhaskar, I know. Still. Yeah. Anytime you will preparing a architect time, you need to be more clear about some people. Your project architecture will be present. Okay, assume like a inside that they will allocate the components like this. You will see only once you open any system architecture, you will see cyber security. They have a dedicated component, yes or no, in the very high level of project. Some people, what they will do is cyber security dedicatedly they won't assign. Okay. They will split across the multiple components level. That allocation also I will tell. First level allocation is as a project architect. Is the very level, very high level of project architect. I need to look for that inside my project, cyber security, I have a dedicated allocation is there or not. That is the first level of check. For example, Rama, in my company, this is not there. Okay, fine. Such a people, you will see. You have a diag is a one allocation. Inside that, your secure access will cover yes or no. Yes or no.
Yes,
Inside
yes.
Yes.
diagnostic, I can keep a secure access, right?
Mhm.
Similar communication. I can fit NIDS, suppose yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, bootloader. Can I fit secure flashing, secure boot also? This is the another model of architectures you will look it in your organizations. That means separate architecture, separate requirements, separate design not available also. Where you in our organizations, this will be split in between multiple components. But your project is a high performance project. Your project is a high performance project. HPC or JetCU or SW, cross HPC. Surely you have a dedicated component like a cyber. But yours is just a legacy project, small project. Sometimes you don't have any separate architecture also. Okay. So similarly, static view, dynamic view. How many are aware? Static view of architecture
Yeah, I
and
have
dynamic
one.
view.
Static view
Right.
is about the defining the components and trust boundaries and
Only
security.
components only. Trust boundary also we won't go usually in the static view.
Dynamic view is about the flow, like the step by step how we are providing the security and by the secure data exchange how it is happening, the flow basically.
First static view of secure JTAG. For example, you already know, right? Secure JTAG you need means you guys are selected for authentication. In the automotive level, you need to prove a authentication means which model help you required. Which model help you required.
HSM.
HSM or
Crypto,
hmm?
crypto service manager.
Don't go.
Gateway.
For example, secure access. Crypto anyhow one component mandatorily required because you have the confidentiality. Okay. Crypto stack is a mandatorily required component. Similarly, OS calls in it is compulsorily required for any architecture, any component also. Okay. Along with that, you need diagnostic. Secure access, always you need a help of a diagnostic. Okay. Then you need the hardware. Secure JTAG is a combination of software plus hardware. Everyone will agree?
Yes,
Hardware
Yes.
interfaces you require.
two configurations, hardware and
Okay, hardware configurations or anything maybe. Okay. Then any other also? KMS is required keys and you are fetching from the KMS. You will store the key, you will fetch from the KMS and all. That interaction is mandatorily required. Any other? You will qualify any DTC, your JTAG related. You will qualify any JTAG related anything. Yeah, any you will qualify any. You need any NVM related stuff for JTAG where you will maintain your table.
Yes.
Okay. Then your integrity and confidentiality crypto stack will help. Authentication diagnostic will help. Maybe authorization role basis also you can maintain a itself of hardware interface or something role based you will maintain a configuration table. Any other interaction is required? Anyone? You need to show your static view of secure JTAG. Each time as a developer, as an architect, as a tester, why I am selecting this model? Why you are selecting? You have the properties like a confidentiality, integrity, authentication. Without crypto help, it is possible to achieve that one.
Uh,
Okay. Then you have a without diagnostic help, diag module. Here I kept like a diag. Some people will kept like a DCM. That is the reason. Diag you in our terminology, diag means it is a combination of below RT, above it, complete together. I am call it as a diag. Okay. OS you already know, right? Every component, this is a common level thing. Every architecture type, OS calls, operating system related, unit related, and background tasks also it will come. Because which millisecond, 2 millisecond, 10 millisecond, 25 millisecond, 50 millisecond, where you need to install your call for secure JTAG locking and unlocking related. And hardware interfaces, what type of registers you are configuring, what is the interface, locking and unlocking, and key management interaction, how you are interacting with the key. This is the static view. Here, Rudra, Bhaskar, anyhow, is Bhaskar, you rejoined or it's okay? Bhaskar, I have the message also, no problem. I will align later. Mm. For example, Rudra, Saurabh Dev, Subham, Ramesh. Any other module is also required for you guys representation?
Storing certificates,
No, no,
secure.
no, 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 no. 1 minute. KMS is nothing but everything, right? And even though your stack I put it, and if you, I thought like you guys will tell like, one more thing is HSM also you require. That's it. Okay. HSM you can mention some your keys and certificates stored inside the HSM also you represented. Any other?
From JSA driver.
That is the hardware level, right? That is the reason. Here interfaces, any hardware you can represent in the static view. Very, very level of static view. Hardware is, it may be a registers, it may be a interface, or it may be any port related stuff. Okay, UCB settings, anything will come under interfaces, hardware level interfaces. Okay, your background task and everything, it will come under OS.
Boot for secure flash.
1 minute. Srikanth?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Only concentrate about JTAG. Today concept itself a JTAG port.
Okay.
For example, you will see this is the assume your JTAG port is this one. Okay. Initially, how it will be every program? It is a locked state.
Uh,
Yes or no?
yes. Yes.
This is the locked state. Now you need to unlock this. You need to unlock this means you need some help from KMS also. That you kept it. One more thing. Here, you guys are okay to keep tool, I will keep also. Otherwise, you will say that how your stakeholders, you are keeping a tester like this. I will keep one side is a tester. This guy is the tester. In the static view, tester is required. And another side, I will keep like a tool, debug tool. That is also I am fine. This is also static level of representation for uh, JTAG architecture, debug tool. Yeah, this is also. If it is required means. Some people, these representations usually in the dynamic view will show, in the static view we don't show under. Now question will come. Okay. Static view, anyone having any doubt?
Yeah, hardware interfaces, why it is required, it is not clear for me.
1 minute. Tell me.
And the hardware interfaces, why it is required exactly?
Okay. For example, you need to log the JTAG itself of a register. Okay, one register. Register is a software element or hardware element.
Hardware element.
That is the reason hardware also you need to show. It is not only secure JTAG requirement classification time, you need to show both the people. That means you need to show like, but that is the third stage. I don't want to enter into that level. You are dragging, no problem. Okay. Requirement derivation of secure JTAG. We will map to EE and software. Port related, registers related, everything completely controlled by hardware guys. Software level of interfaces topic completely controlled by the software people. That is the reason JTAG always you will say it is a combination of hardware and software team activity. It is not only software team, it is not only hardware team. Both the teams together they will define. So that
Okay.
allocation time. Okay. Now coming back to the now coming back to for example Srika. Uh,
Ram, are you recording? I forgot to say.
yeah, it is recorded.
Ram, just one doubt.
Hmm.
So you mentioned OS and init calls also in a static architecture.
Yes, because your SSR don't know about your automotive architecture or anything. Okay, then Every
Because
action also,
Mhm.
you know, I know. Okay. SSR is coming from a banking guy. Okay. Then you will ask only open the architecture. Then you are not keeping like a cyclic how your system is running. Then you surely will question you on that.
Yeah, agree.
I'm not getting a clue how many millisecond you will complete this activity. That is the reason I shown. And one more thing, you will say that, okay, you didn't show a initialization, then you will ask like a don't initialize, comment initialization, show me that it is passing or failing. So these all are the you need to escape purpose mandatorily required. Mandatorily required for always. My suggestion is please openly represent initialization calls, okay, initialization, background task, details in the your static view itself. And you are qualifying a DTC, please include that also. Any other, Subham?
No, no.
Okay, you will see. Now, old concept, legacy concept, and new concept we need to discuss. Old concept, old concept is what? Only like a, yeah, then I will say that, Subham, please log the JTAG port in 2013 to until 2019. How you will log? What is the any sir? Anything?
Hidden port, like port, no clue of showing the port.
That is anyhow you already you know, right. One is your ports you will disable, but
Hmm.
you will protect with method also, locking method also. Port disable is a completely hardware. I shown there, and itself of that I can convey to SSR easily. Like, okay, I will disable hardware ports, hardware ports. Okay, itself of this hardware settings, hardware topic. Then I will lock using software. Yes or no?
Hmm. Yes.
What? Using software, I'm setting what? What you are setting. When you are a, okay, you are locking. Port is locking. Using software, what you will set. For example, you need to lock your phone. What you are setting.
Password.
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 Now we'll go to port here. One is the password or key. Everyone agree?
Hmm.
Yes.
That is the old concept, legacy concept. Okay. Now here little bit is you have a KMS. Okay. You are having a tester. Usually older or anything also, they will represent this one only. Tool also here only. Tool and ECU. Yes. In this dynamic behavior, this tester, what you will say?
requesting
Eh,
seed.
Don't go advanced concept. First listen legacy concept. First tester request. This is the first step. You will request like a, can you please send me the key or password? This password, this guy in the second step. Okay. In the second step, what this guy will enter? Directly password here. If this password is right, this password is right, then ECU response, what is the response? Tell me.
Access granted.
Access granted or it is unlocked.
Hmm.
Okay. By mistake, native case you will see. It is a, assume like a still a native case. It is a native case. Again, this guy will try one more time, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Again, it is failed. Again, it is failed. You will enter third time.
No, nothing.
No. That we didn't decided, right? We will go or not. That is also requirements. It will come. Third stage time, we will discuss about how many times you will give the entry and everything. Now you assume this is a legacy concept. Anything you are checking, who's that fellow, nothing, right? You have a key, you are giving that key directly. Okay, that is the legacy concept. Now third time you enter. Who's the faster in typing in our group? SGD, you can type fast or Subhama you can give. Yugandhar, you will see first tester will get the password from server. Okay.
Okay.
Then second step, you will connect the tool to debug port. Then you will enter that password incorrectly. Then your ECU, Yugandhar is not our automotive guy actually, but
Yeah.
who
Okay.
will type it? No problem. You can type it. In the ECU place, you can put it as a laptop, your example. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
First,
yeah.
first level, tester and asked the password from KMS. You
Okay.
got it. Then you connected the tool and you entered the password incorrectly. Then your electronic control unit ECU responded that incorrect password. Access
Yes.
denied. Access denied.
Yes.
Again tester re-entered the password incorrectly. Again ECU responded access denied. Then tester, this time he entered the password correctly. Access,
It will be denied only.
no, access granted. Correct password he entered.
So if it is access denied in the previous step, then
Yes.
even if he given the correct answer, it will be locked, right? For 5 times like that.
That is the reason. Third time only he passed, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Mm.
Okay. Then he waited idle 4 minutes. He didn't done anything. He idly waited. Then again
It's
your
again
ECU
locked.
enter into locked state.
Locked status.
Okay. Then that is the one scenario. This is the old legacy concept of the secure
Yes.
JTAG, secure JTAG concept. Now
Yeah.
coming back to New concept. Here, anyone having any question? Running note, Arita, next time in the advanced concept, you only type it. So, architects, any clarifications required here? Anyone?
Here, what, as per issue concept, tester is going to be sending the request for the key to the issue, no? But
Yes.
the KMS part, how can I imagine from here?
Okay, 1 minute. Now, anyhow, advanced concept, I will show you that also. Okay. But before going there, you will see. Mutual authentication. What is meant by mutual authentication meaning?
Both
Ram and
both are
Ra-
authorized.
Ram and JT. That means Ram verifying the JT credential, JT verifying Ram credential, right? I am verifying the JT is a right or wrong. JT also verifying Ram is the right guy or not. That concept only will call it as a mutual authentication concept. Now, here how many players are there in secure JTAG time? Total how many players you guys are seeing? One is KMS. Second one is ECU. Third one is a tester. Third one is a tester. First one KMS, ECU, tester and two. Here two statics guys are there. Who all are that? Tell me. Just JRA only the tester is a human, yes or no?
Yes.
Is a human. But that without human, that is possible? Yes, why not? Whatever tester is doing, you can automate is possible, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Your voices are low.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can automate.
Okay. Then you will see. For example, your electronic control unit is here. Your JTAG port is here. Your KMS is here. Your KMS is here. Now, whatever you are storing the KMS to here, some tool is required to fetch that credential, yes or no? Some method you need to establish, right? Some method you need to establish, right? Similarly, what is the our life cycle of the ECU? How many life cycles you are there? Where is your ECU present? The diagram everyone remembered, right? Arita, Jayasri, development,
development,
production,
uh, infield,
infield, warranty written analysis, decomposition. This one everyone ever right? From development to production entry point. Your JTAG is unlocked or locked? This is the development phase.
Okay, development open.
This is the production phase.
Production,
This is the field. This is the warranty written analysis. This is the decommission. This entry point and exit point always important. As per our discussion, first today, when I teach you for a JTAG, entry point into the production, your JTAG is unlocked or locked?
Locked.
Entry point, I'm asking.
During development, it will be unlocked. And
Here it is unlocked.
Production
Entry
also-
point,
Production also unlocked.
entry is always
Locked.
exit point. It is
It is
locked.
locked.
Entry point, always locked. Exit point, always locked. Entry point, locked only. Inside, you will perform the unlock. Year to year also, it will go locked only. Here also, decomposition time also, you will destroy itself of locked state only. You never unlock there. Okay. So, here, when you are locking, here you locked ECU password where you are dumping KMS, right?
yeah,
KMS, right?
yeah,
Then, when this guy is required some password here, you need to fetch it from here, yes or no?
yes,
You will request and it will come. You already know, right? Your server and your ECUs are not in the same place, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Okay. Now, coming back to here. KMS. Yes, sir.
92.
Then, the tool. Any tool is a tool advanced concept. That is the reason tomorrow class also, secure access next class also, secure access time, you will feel that feel. It may be a debug tool, it may be any tool is the tool for us. Now you will see. This is the little bit advanced concept. You will see. Arita, you can note down the steps. Okay. Otherwise, Arita, you are faster, right?
Yes, I will note.
Yeah. Tester will enter his credential, username and password. Okay. KMS will verify his credential is present in this project, yes or no. Here two steps will come. Native case first. He entered credential, username, password. KMS confirmed that he is not present for his credential is not present. That means the access is denied. Then tester again entered a correct credential. KMS is granted the access. He is the right person. Then here is the eligible candidate for using a tool now. He got the access for the tool. Then this tool he given a request to the ECU. Please give me the first now tool and ECU supposed to be mutually authenticate. Your debug tool and ECU mutually authenticate. Then tool requested that please generate the challenge. ECU generated challenge. is you reply to the tool challenge. Arita done?
Yes.
Okay. Now generated challenge. You will see your architects are proposed there two concepts. One is confidentiality, second one is integrity as well. Now developers, architects be silent sometimes. I need the developer. Data came 334455. Now I need to maintain the confidentiality and integrity. Now you guys can tell me what are the operations. First which operation you will perform, second which operation you will perform. Where you will perform. Where
Encryption
you will
and
perform.
hash.
1 minute. Okay. I'll agree. That means where you will perform. Here again two options, Arita. My tool, I don't have a crypto capability. That is the first option take. Roman number first option. Your tool don't have the capability for performing any crypto operations. That time, your crypto operation guy who's there outside, your KMS is a crypto guy, yes or no? Tool
Yes.
requesting the help for KMS. Your tool don't have the capability for crypto operation. You are transferring the generated challenge to the server. Where you are transferring server. Now server you need to perform two properties now. One is confidentiality, second one is integrity. Okay. Now confidentiality and integrity. Which one you will perform first? You will calculate integrity, then do the encryption? Or no, Rama, I will do only like a first one is I
Confidentiality.
will I will encrypt, then I will calculate the integrity.
Yes.
Yes means which one you guys will do? Tell me.
First one confidential.
First we can do encryption. So then after hashing and integrity property can maintain.
Okay. Here server will do. Which algorithm you guys are using? Architects, you can propose symmetric scheme or asymmetric scheme. Symmetric, can I take symmetric? Or your wish?
Yes. Asymmetric.
Asymmetric.
Asymmetric is better.
Okay, no problem. Asymmetric. Okay, this is the confidentiality purpose. Integrity, what is your solution?
Signature.
Huh?
Yeah.
Special signature.
Digital.
Digital. Oh, okay, no problem. Digital signature. Day one, you are going at depth, I'm okay. Otherwise, slowly we'll go one by one. Here I will take a hash also, or maybe CMAC also. Here you will take a anyhow symmetric also. No problem. Step by step. Don't overload at a time. Step by step you can go. Okay. Now you will see, Arita, your tool don't have the capability for calculating the crypto operations. You requested the help from the server. Your server now, developers, first you will encrypt the challenge, then you will calculate the integrity, or you will calculate the integrity, then you will encrypt. Which one you will do first?
First encryption, after that we can calculate.
Okay, no problem. Then, Arita, next step is your KMS using a key. Here, key is your wish. I'm not denying here something you require. Key, you can use any key. You will use a encryption purpose separate key, one key for, or same key you will use for CMAC and encryption also, I'm fine. But when you are implementing, I need to see the clarity. Key one also required, or same key only you guys are using. One is CMAC purpose, one is encryption purpose. Okay, it is a symmetric method. That means same key is supposed to be present inside the ECU also. You always remember that. Don't forget. Okay. Now, KMS using a key, otherwise key instead of that using a key one. Okay. It will encrypted the generated challenge. That is the start. Then cipher test came, right? That cipher test, using your key 2, you calculated the CMAC value. You calculated the CMAC value. That is the reason I am asking now again. You need the original test also, right? Original test is what? Your generated challenge. That way also you can do it anyway. Then challenge who generated? Who generated the challenge?
ECU.
ECU. Now generated challenge, what value you are passing to the ECU? Tell me, anyone guess it? What is the value you are giving to the ECU now? First data means once you encrypted after that you calculated the CMAC, and that CMAC value only you are giving, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, CMAC value we are giving.
CMAC value. Now ECU, what it will do internally?
It will verify the challenge and response.
It will
Verify the response. If it
which
is correct or
response?
not.
Data it has sent and received, it will verify.
1 minute. Okay. ECU parallelly what it will do? Internally, ECU generated challenge, what it will do? First operation. Tell me. Challenge is generated, right? Challenge generated. then this challenge, it will also encrypt yes or no. Challenge, it is encrypted. What you are getting? Cipher test, right? Then the cipher test will calculate the CMAC value of cipher test, yes or no. You will get the CMAC value, right? Whatever server given a CMAC value, KMS given CMAC identical equal to ECU calculated CMAC. That means what? Mutually authenticated, yes or no?
Yes.
That is the logic. ECU, it will calculate and it will be ready. Then it will compare that both the values are identical. It will respond back to access is granted or JTAG port is unlocked. This is the concept, you will call it as a latest concept of secure JTAG. Now, one more is there. First, yeah. Arita, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will see second option. Second option, your debug tool having a crypto operation capability. That time you will go to the KMS need is required. Second option.
Not required.
Then tool again is requesting a challenge, yes or no? Tool requested the challenge.
Yes.
ECU given the challenge. Then your second option CMAC don't take. Okay. This guy, tool having a capability to keep a digital signature using private key. Now, where is the private key? Inside the tool, because tool also having a capability. When using a private key, tool is signed the digital signature, then is giving for a verification purpose a digital signature. You see what it will do, this digital signature using public key, it will verify the digital signature. If this digital signature is verified correctly, EC will respond in JTAG port is unlocked. This is the another way of the second option. But tools you already know, right? Your all the tools still you are using advanced tools or legacy tools?
Advance.
Advanced, huh? Anyone? Advanced or legacy?
No,
Legacy.
legacy tools.
Okay. Last topic is now homework for developers. You got it. One is old concept you need to implement. Old concept you need to implement. Second is second option is old concept is one thing. Advanced concept legacy tool. Okay. Advanced concept and advanced tool. No need for always a confidentiality, integrity. Always how you are achieving is up to you guys. I never restrict for you do like this only. No. Any algorithm, integrity purpose, this one. Now you will see. Confidentiality you achieved, integrity you achieved, authentication you achieved. But why you didn't raise the question for authorization? Authorization anywhere I shown until now?
Tester credentials.
That is the reason. Now question is secure JTAG time. Authorization control. You will keep in ECU level or server level? What is your thoughts? When the user is entered a credential, then immediately you are checking that this user having a right to unlock my JTAG port, yes or no?
Yes.
Then you can implement that logic in the server level arithmetic. There you can adapt. If you all are agreed with, that is the reason there I didn't stress, I look like authentication level only I explained. That means there you are checking two way. One is first is credential present or entered credential is right or not. Second step also you are checking this guy having a secure unlocking access yes or no. If his credential is present, is not mapped for a JTAG unlocking, then server will reply that no only. Incorrect credential. So now you will see confidentiality, integrity, authentication, authorization. Now, as a testers group and architect group, developer group. Your static view, dynamic view, implementation. It is clear, yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, no.
Okay. Anyone, developer group, your voice is, I'm unable to hear. Prithvi.
Yes, Ram.
Okay, now you will see. Setting a JTAG password or key. Okay. How you guys will set? What is the size of the password? What is the architects? Putra group.
16 bits.
What is the size of the password?
16 bits.
16 bytes. Now, each byte I need the meaning from you guys. What are the bytes you will add? Anyone didn't token any screenshots, right? When previous batches showing time? Our batch, architects, you have capable, okay? Please define your JTAG password 16 bytes, byte by byte. First of all, you all are agreed for 16 bytes is okay? Now, Thomas group, you have any restriction here? 16 bytes you won't sufficient, you need 32 bytes? Or is 16 bytes okay, fine for you guys? Kalyan, Akshay, Venkat, Thomas, Yugandhar.
So unless it's implemented with the latest schema, AES schema, it's okay for us.
That is, don't mix two things here. Legacy concept, you need to enter just a password or a key.
Okay, legacy concept.
Legacy concept. Advanced concept, anyhow, you have some confidentiality, integrity, you let you. But in the legacy concept, just it is a password setting. 16 bytes, you guys are having any known issues? Anything? We will debate now.
Brute force.
Thomas, you joined or not joined?
Yep, I'm here. You talking to me?
Yeah, your 16 byte password is fine.
Of course, 32 bytes would be better.
Otherwise, you will wait for how they're defining that 16 bytes. Up to maybe. They told size is 16 bytes. Size 16 bytes, you are fine, and you are waiting for that byte information, and you will give a call, then wait for 5 more minutes. Okay? Now you can, architect, please tell me byte by byte information here. What is your planning for setting that password?
1 byte, 2 bytes can be issue ID. I think it needs more bytes.
Okay? Then 2 bytes of UCID. Okay, then fast. Subham, Rudra.
Hey, quick question, Ron, before we get into this. If if the architects asked the analyst and we were to say 32 bytes, would the architects then come back and state that they don't need that, or how would that work?
The first level is you, for example, size itself you are not allowed, then you can debate. This size I don't agree. But you already know, right? 16 bytes is a strong password. Some 30, 40 years it will take for a break. If they will put like a very strong way. But only they will keep like a some visible credential, 16 bytes easily crackable.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Before that, I will show you one slide here. Brute force time, I remember your batch I shown already, but second time also I will show you. Meanwhile, you can debate you guys, man. Huh? Setting a password, debate, all are collaborate and tell me the answer.
I mean, I'm okay with 16 byte team.
No. Architects, right? That is the decision for architects, right? We can't influence them. You guys will see. 16 bytes, only numbers. How many days? 2 days. 2 days, only numbers means. Lowercase letters, you will see how many years. Uppercase letters, how many years? Okay. Number, uppercase and lowercase letters, you will see. That is the reason. When the 16 bytes is a decent number, I'm not denying. But they will, analyst I will pitch in based on what strength you are setting. Now this is the time for you guys now. Don't take much time. Till you guys supposed to be set 14 bytes. Rudra.
Yeah, we can include the product model.
One
We can
minute.
include product. Yeah,
Okay.
we can add like a product ID.
Product.
Yeah.
UCID you are adding, right? Again, why product ID means what? What is that product ID?
Like
UCID
suppose
means
this
hardware
configuration.
here.
Okay.
Assume Assume there is there is high level car and mid level car. High level car has some high configurations and mid level car has some low level configurations. Like
Okay,
you
then
assume
how many bytes you require that info?
just 2 bits.
Product info.
Yeah.
Hmm. Then key is a combination of
Company specific configuration and
key is a company. Okay, key is a combination of.
Random number.
Random
random numbers.
Now you guys can
Customer
tell me how many bytes you will take random number.
70 and take 8.
How many bytes?
4 bytes.
4 bytes?
8 by
4 bytes is sufficient for random number?
8 bytes.
Hey, 8 bytes, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Good. 8 bytes. 8 bytes is a decent number for me. Okay. Okay, 8 bytes. 12 bytes done. Still 4 more bytes you need to define. What is that 4 bytes? Anywhere you mention any OEM credential?
Yeah, here only we can add now. IV, it's a combination of R and G and plus OEM configuration bytes.
Yeah, OEM related anything you will add?
Yeah, it will be
How many bytes?
next 2 bytes.
2 bytes. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
What information you will add? Their name or what?
Name.
No problem. Still, you need to set 2 more bytes. Which one you will take?
The kind of update we're going to do.
Any software information shall we? It's not required.
UCYD is there.
Yeah.
Product information is there.
Software
OEM name you are keeping, but your company name I didn't see, right? That means itself of ECYD. You will see. You are pushing the data into server. That means the date is important for you or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe that is my thought. So maybe you will take means take. Otherwise, you have better than that option. Any
Date we can take, I think.
2 bytes means here we need the clarity. That means DD date is a 1 byte. Month you will keep or year you will keep. Which one?
Year.
So DD and Y are like this.
Month and year you can keep.
But
Month
it won't
and
fit right.
MM
So then
MM
how? That
Month
means
and year.
nibble you can adjust. Huh? How? For example, developers, I don't want to enter into in between both of you guys. Okay. Year. 2 bytes is GCYD, 2 bytes is product information, 8 bytes is random number, 2 bytes is name, 2 bytes is date. Now developers, you are setting for this password is a difficulty. For example, I'm giving my ECYD is that is the my ECYD. Product information This is the product information. My RNG. This is the my RNG. This is the my company name. This is the white name. You need to fit into in this format. Without clarity, you can't fit. You need to shoot today itself. You are not shooting, then I will ask you in a very, very aggressive manner questions. I given that is the reason I given the clues here. Don't be silent. Mahesh, Rajesh, Jaysri, Prudvi, all developers. Srikanth as well.
Ram, an ECUID is a bigger. You are selecting 2 bytes. You
I am
want the
not
first
selecting
or
man.
last?
You not for me. You can check with your architect. I didn't set it right. I selected. No right.
Means you
You,
are only giving the example. That's why I'm asking.
that is the reason. That is the reality. You can ask them. Your UCID is a bigger number or smaller number.
Bigger number.
Then you can check with them which bytes are there they need for your password purpose. First 2 bytes or last 2 bytes are seventh byte and the eighth byte or sixth byte and seventh byte or fifth byte and fourth byte. You can check with them. You need the clarity, right? You are a developer.
Any architect, please tell me. Yeah, you want first or last for 2 bytes.
Before going there, you collaborated with your team at least.
No, Ram.
First, you need to collaborate, right?
Yeah, Ram, see, even I also have the same doubt because the
First, you,
count of the
okay, but
issue.
first you collaborate. You need to go like a one team, right?
Ah,
First, you don't know, right? They passed to Jaysri. Maybe they informed to Srikanth. First, you collaborate. Then only you need to go to architect, right? It is not simple catching a architect. No clarity, nothing.
yeah.
First, as a team, you guys first discuss 2 minutes. All are having a same understanding. Then you go to catch the architect.
I developers actually, so even I also have same doubt. Whatever to you.
This information I don't know. Sudhvi, me also. We
Whatever.
can check with architect.
Yeah.
Yeah, same for me also. ECU ID is more than 2 bytes, right?
Yes. Not only COD compared to the random number is also having two more bytes, and the product
Yeah.
info is also having more byte. So which byte we have to take? Anyone, any architect, can you suggest which one we have to take as a indexing? We have to take the first numbers or the last numbers or any in between them. Which one we need to select? Architect, this is a question from the developer side.
Yeah.
Yeah, Subham Group, please respond.
Okay, so product info.
Actually,
No, in
ECUID,
the
what we
ECID.
can, ECUID, what we can do, right? So it is instead of taking either last or first together, last to 1 byte and first 1 byte, if we take, I think it is implementation point of, I mean, it will give some kind of a good key generation. That's what I'm thinking. So,
Yeah, we can also use same merging of both LSB and MSB. part of the
Okay, you mean to say that your UCID information is UCID information is 1 byte MSB,
1 byte for the LSB.
1 byte LSB.
S-
Okay, no problem.
Pudvi,
Ah,
still
yes.
information was not corrected at the point of RNG
Mm-hmm. Yes.
No
because it was
problem.
8
We'll
bytes.
see. Okay, we'll see. 8 bytes, what they will get. I generated my random number, man. I given a tool. If you are asking a 8 bytes, it won't generate.
Not like that, from here is more
1
than
minute.
bytes.
That is my example. Your architect clearly mentioned 8 byte RNG. Then you can't generate a 8 byte RNG.
Yes.
If you are going for a architect room, such a questions, they will throw you out.
You
Now
given
here,
more space to RNG
I
compared
given
to ECUID.
I given that is my example. That is the reason that also I given a incorrectly. You need to use your brain also, right? Architect
Uh,
clearly mentioned 8 bytes RNG. You can take only RNG 8 bytes always.
yes, Ram, we can generate RNG.
That's it.
Yeah.
RNG is a clear. You are don't never go whatever the already available information. Never approach architects. They have their own world. They have their own disease. One fine day they will tell, okay, everything we are telling, I will only write the 2 lines, Baba, bye bye. Okay. Now product information. Product information you can check means check it.
Yeah.
Product information.
Yes, product information will also have a is particularly mentioned for 2 bytes, but here it is more bytes. Which one we need to select? We need to go like what we selected ECU ID, or is there any other way for architect? I'm asking for architect.
Subham.
We have based on this, we can
Yes.
take BMW, that complete name it will come. And
It's better if we take the BMW and the product like which ECU specific, like braking,
Or
steering, that code.
BMW with its version, class A, class B, like that.
You
Two
will,
no,
bytes
before
only
you are
braking.
telling like that, you will see 2 bytes only you mentioned.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In
Then
that,
2 byte how they will fit BMW itself.
Yeah.
Sir,
okay, same
RNG
here also
is
one
one
byte
more
we will use
space,
for the our
8 bytes.
organization.
I don't know. You decided already. That 16 bytes I don't change now.
Can we make like that architecture team? Like we will use the
Maybe
brand name for 1 byte and version of that brand model into one more byte.
yes, yes, that product is
even
there.
Yeah,
BMW won't fit in this 16 byte now.
yeah.
That is the
Instead, we
that is the reason I'm telling
No.
you.
We can use 1 byte only now.
1 byte what?
Only for the
MSB or LSB? That is sufficient for them. Developers,
yeah.
right?
Yes.
Uh, how you are generating, I don't care. They don't care. They need to fetch for which byte is the important for them.
Yes.
Which byte I can mention? First byte and last byte?
One.
Or last byte? Most significant byte and least significant byte. Earlier, you already mentioned previous example, right?
Mm.
in, instead we can do one thing like full product info. We can map it like BMW is equivalent to your code, some code for 4 bits, and rest of the class, rest of the number we can uh, make the byte information from the MSB. So that kind of thing we can also propose.
I think we are having only 2 bytes now. So in 1 byte, what they want to, they are expecting. and what is expecting in the other bytes, or overall in 2 byte what you want to fit there, want the information of this.
So,
As per I can go for 1 byte for MSB, and which can give the MB, and next byte
but
will be
B,
having
no?
going for the version.
So B, no? B means byte also, and BMW also. So it is not reflecting which company, basically. So according to me, BM we can keep.
Yeah, 1 byte. So,
Instead, we can
okay,
put
last.
like BMW is here. So suppose there is a Mercedes next. So instead, we can define the uh, product of BM class with some codes
Hmm.
Yeah, but only
for
2 bytes we have.
yeah. So code for 1 byte. So it's if it is a
Yeah, code for
BMW
1 byte, and
class
yeah,
S, it says 01,
yeah,
something
like
like
that we
that.
can. Yeah,
And then we
that
take
should be
the
ready.
MSB. Huh. So you'll have the whole information
After
of your
that,
full
That
BMW.
don't you architect knowledge don't give out. You have the logic, got it. That you can decide your offline. Only that fellow you can tell I will give as a product information buffer. You take only MSB byte is 1 byte, and next one in which byte you are giving, tell me. Seventh byte or fourth byte or where? I got your logic. Okay. So can I put fourth byte? You will give second byte second information.
Mhm.
Subham?
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then RNG, their responsibility 8 bytes. 12 bytes is done. Name. Name, please, first.
LSB law, you can take team, please.
Okay.
2 bytes directly you can take it.
Then,
LSB, yeah?
yes,
Yes.
Okay. LSB 2 bytes. Okay, date.
date, I need MSB as a year and LSB as a month, as per me, Rudra, or anyone.
Yes.
That I think last
Yeah.
so that I think 2 bytes from the year and the month we can give. Means what means
I think
two
only 2 bytes are
numbers
available.
from year and year
Hmm.
month we can give.
Yeah, month and year you can keep. Okay, so
Yeah.
in the tone, yeah, LSB is for month and MSB for year, like that you can keep. Last in year also, like a 25, 26, like that you can keep.
Yeah.
The truncation and needed.
Only also we
Yeah.
can take it
Let's
as a
put the
only LSB.
date and the year. Yeah. Date and year end. 25, 26, something.
But date and year won't give the sufficient
Perfect.
information, right?
Yes, a
Why
month
means
will be there.
which month we are using, the date may be coming to any
Month and year it
Yeah,
is good.
yeah. So
So,
better,
MM and YY, yeah?
Yes.
yes,
YY.
yeah,
yes.
yes.
Okay, no. Okay, now Prithvi batch. More clear?
Yes,
Or
Ram.
still you guys need anything?
Ram,
Okay. No.
date is 2 bytes
Yeah, tell
or
me.
4 bytes, no?
No, only 2 bytes.
Date.
They fixed. The 2 bytes only. Only month and year.
Okay,
26 you will take. That means that is a year for me. That's it.
that's it. Okay.
Yeah, month is 01, 02, 03, like that 1 byte, and the year is 1 byte. It is clear, right, everyone? Now, now everyone, this method, legacy method, you will implement now with alpha password, right? Yugandhar, whatever you noted, developers.
Yes, Ram.
Okay.
The password means key, right?
That is a password, how your architects define, right? That is nothing but
Yes.
your password now.
Okay. Yes, got it.
Okay?
Ah, yes.
Okay, then. Architects, you need to prepare your static architecture legacy model and dynamic architecture model.
Static view and dynamic view or legacy?
Legacy plus advanced also, both the models.
Okay.
Now, tester. Tester, you need to write all the test cases for positive test cases and negative test cases. Legacy model and advanced model, both the options. Here architects, I given advanced options, 2 options. That I view, I need to look it from your side. Anyhow, tomorrow is holiday for you guys, and I will check tomorrow night only your folders, not for today. Okay? Then developers. These 3 concepts you need to note it down like a in symmetric method and asymmetric method, which algorithm you are using, what is the key size you are. This key and the legacy password don't link and all. This password setting is only for a legacy project. Suppose where you are going for any organization, that organization will ask like, can you please set for a password? Then you need to know, debate with your all the people and setting the password. Now, analyst group. Analyst group, I need to know whatever your architects and developers are going to deploying a secure JTAG. You have any issues or not, I need to know from VARA analysis and attack feasibility rating level. And one more thing is, I need your analysis for secure JTAG. You will consider as a one asset or multiple assets inside that JTAG. Venkat, Kalyan, Venkat, Kalyan,
Can you repeat the
Yugandhar.
third one, Ram?
Now you will see. Until now, what I teached, JTAG is a only one port for me.
Yes.
But today, how many things I teach you guys? All are belongs to JTAG only, right?
Yes.
Now, still you will consider as a only one asset. You need a multiple assets for JTAG level. And why? Which property is important for other asset? You are going inside this little bit depth about the JTAG, right? Or otherwise, I am an analyst, I don't care. Locking and unlocking is mine. Only I will consider as a JTAG port is the asset. I am okay with that proposal also. Your group, I need very clarity about VARA analysis, attack feasibility related analysis, and asset level of justification.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone is clear, right? And one more thing, my observation is, respective questions, you guys are up to date updating in the homework folder, developer group, analyst group, architect group, tester group. I am feeling like that is not up to date. You all are also in the same mindset. Today onwards, don't miss it and all. Because I am showing other batches, you are the golden example. Unfortunately, yesterday didn't went well. First time I disappointed, open your folder, homework folder. Standardly, Arita, I can't give everything to Arita alone, right? This table is mandatorily you need to fill first homework and remaining things respect to roles. Take a one initiative inside your guys. How you will take, I'm not sure. Please prepare a dynamic architecture and static architecture, architect group, developers, legacy solution and advanced solution of two solution, three methods, and analyst, attack feasibilities, VARA analysis, and port level, how many assets, how more assets for JTAG you will select, please come up with like a proposal. Okay, you all are done, then please carry on for that, and all the best for your budget. Who all are waiting for the budget, all the best for you guys. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have much expectations anyhow. Okay, maybe Tamil Nadu people, Venkat and all, I'm hoping they will give something to your state because another 2 months you have election, right? So all the best for you. Okay then. Please take this batch and remaining all carry on. Yeah, Saurabh there.
Yeah, Rama.
Anytime I shows you guys for crypto service manager document,
Yeah, if for the AutoSAR document, yeah.
I shows to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, it is a, today maybe you will see some clarity, you got it only one concept. Unfortunately, tomorrow you guys don't have the class. Okay. You try to hold them like a architect level, cybersecurity property level, then discussion about like a post level concept level discussion, you can win the game like a tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow first level interview is a just a, you will check like a, you know about all the cyber security related standards and regulation and architecture minimum things and all. I'm hoping you will give the positive result for me. But tomorrow guy itself will come and ask like, can you please implement a SECOC? If you fail also, I don't feel even though nothing. Because you are not, I'm myself itself not teacher. Long way to go. But if they will ask JTAG and you are failing, right? Then I will feel little bit. Because why means 2 times concept is done. Only third time is pending.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me then the like.
So that is the reason. Okay. So you need to be know about like a, they are also supposed to be aware what to ask, what not to ask. Okay.
Yeah.
Some, for example, interfaces sequence. This interfaces sequence is the third level. For example, I will share my screen, you guys. You will see. This is the way I will teach. Okay. Then your duty is you need to go AutoSAR secure flashing. These all are my interfaces. Then UDS level, reprogramming purpose, what are the services and how you are verifying CMAC generate and CMAC verify. This is for the verification level. Here you will put like here.
Okay.
That means everything you will get the clue by based on the once I will done a second time, then signature and integrity verification how you will do it and all. Because first level we teached already. You have a target file, you are giving to the OEM, they are signing the file. When you are reprogramming, okay, when you are reprogramming, That time ECU is verifying your signature, ECU is verifying your CMAC.
Yeah.
That it is a too early for you got a clarity by tomorrow interview. But only certain things you can tell. Crypto stack is it contain that CSM, drive, crypto driver.
Okay.
For example, always in your ECU, you have a CSM level crypto interfaces, HSM level interfaces. In the crypto driver, if you configure as a software, always you will call always you will call CSM interfaces. Crypto driver, you will configure as a hardware, always you will call a HSM interfaces. That is the only differ. But AES, if you do AES software or AES hardware, okay, functionality remains same. Someone is confusing more, take it as a positive, all the best for upcoming days. But if someone only checking a pulse check is what is done, what not done, all the best for you guys for today. That is the reason. And one more thing, Arita, why I never asked you need to list out your interfaces as per ChatGPT's, right? But in your
Yes.
folder, so many things, sequences I see.
I find it easy to remember like that. Signals.
Understood. Signal flow, I understood that you are doing a correct way. I'm okay. But for example, someone is confusing like a HGD. Don't take it personal or anything tomorrow. Attempt it freely. All the best for you.
Thank you, Ram.
And today and tomorrow, you guys spend some time. Interface sequence, for example, you need to encrypt. You need to encrypt. Only one function call is sufficient, right? If I am a developer, I have a one function, I will pass 4 parameters, I will return only one buffer. That's it. What is my output for encryption? Cipher text, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Ram.
How many inputs I need? Initialization vector need, plain text is need, mode is need, algorithm type is. Okay, key is required. I will pass 4 parameters. I will take one output. That's it. That one I already told you. Symmetric level one algorithm, asymmetric level one algorithm. You can neatly explain to any interviewer also. So Ramesh, you all, my suggestion is instead of noting down a new questions, today please connect minimum 5 to 6 hours. Help to HGD succeeding in the tomorrow interview.
Oh, oh.
That is the my suggestion.
So, one question like in asymmetry, we don't
Only
have symmetry.
RSA algorithm you can remember.
RS set, DSM. Okay.
RSA is there,
Oh,
DSA is there, elliptic curve is there, but you can tell only RSA. One algorithm is more than sufficient. Any one algorithm, AES level, symmetric level and asymmetric level, one algorithm. If you will ask also, you can tell, I am more familiar with this option.
okay.
Yeah, that is the one way. Maybe in the evening, anytime, if I'm getting any 15 minutes slot, surely weekends, you already know my schedule. Okay. If I'm getting a slot, I will keep in touch with you guys. My humble request is add a breakfast and start for a meeting. Help your team member and sequence or wherever you have some gaps or something, fill it. Okay. Now you can share your screen and show me your JD.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just opening it. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So threat analysis and designing
Yeah,
cybersecurity simulations.
you will see first one itself, you will see. Okay. Thorough analysis, easily you can answer them.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Secure communication, secure boot, TE, and sandboxing. Second one, little bit extent you can. If you are remember, secure flashing is a every time reprogramming time activity. Secure boot is a every power on activity.
Okay.
Then I told you trusted execution environment and HSM level. Okay, you will everyone try to access the HSM directly, or you will keep a one authorization control and you will give it and all one example, one box I written and I explained one of the concept explanation time. You guys are remember or not? I'm not sure. 1 minute, how it will be. Okay. That is the second point. The third point is okay, Nmap, PCAP, Wireshark, these all are maybe you are a tester, others tester. Wireshark you tested, Nmap is
Yeah.
a normal tool. This you don't usually you don't enter. Cryptographic algorithm you take only one thing. Fourth one is ISO 21434 UNIC regulations easily you will explain. Can UDS secure UDS is nothing but a now for example wherever a tool I keeping like in the tool you replaced with debug tool instead of a diag tool and concept remains same. Okay.
Okay.
Con- Debug tool also you will do the mutual authentication. Diag tool also you will do the mutual authentication. So in that context, I am telling it is a easily crackable, not be that much great here. Cyber security architect means they won't go code level of something under. Okay. All the best. All the best. If time permits, I need to join another 3 minutes, another meeting. I will let you know by you guys and all the best and help your team members, all of you. Okay.
And
Take care.
one, so like from ISO, what questions they can ask from this part?
No, no, no. For example, class 15 or class 10 or class 9 related questions, right? Total, you
Yeah.
have 15 classes. You already know first four classes, nothing. Okay. Remaining classes are concept related, development related, production related, Varai analysis related, everything. Everything we discussed also. Only work products also, I explain you all. How many work products also in the cyber security. Only thing is, develop implementation level, we didn't reach that level. Still, I will teach these all concepts one more time, JTAG one more time. Then I will say I am done. I'm not yet done with one concept also. First
Sir,
day JTAG and today JTAG completely different, right?
yeah, exactly.
Then third time you will get the complete clarity about JTAG. What Mahesh?
Sir, RASI topic also comes under this ISO 21434, sir.
Yeah, it will come under development interface agreement. Inside the using a RASI work product details, who's responsible and all you will keep.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, then I need to jump to other call. All the best, you guys. Okay. Please connect minimum 4 to 5 hours for today. Okay. Take care.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye
Thank
now.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.